Hey everybody, got my lawsuit Vice Grip Garage license plate. So, where should I put it? I don't know. Should I put it back here? No. No, I have a plate that goes back there. Besides, that's not done yet. We can't put that back there. How about the Dodge? We put it on the Dodge? Oh, no. We got our NHRA sticker there. Or not sticker, but license plate. You know what I mean. It's befuddling. Where should we put it? Wait, there we go. We'll put it on the wall with all the other metal type plates and license plates. How about that? Maybe next to this one. I got a P. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments, you know, whatever they're called. Type your opinions. So, but that's what I'm thinking. Up on the wall of memorabilia. So, you let me know.